Let's address the question of wire size selection for a 20 amp load over a 220-foot run. According to the National Electrical Code, the minimum recommended wire size for this scenario, assuming copper conductors, is number 12 American wire gauge, abbreviated as AWG. Now let's consider the breakpoint for increasing to the next larger wire size, which would be number 10 AWG copper. This breakpoint is reached when voltage drop becomes a significant concern. In this specific case, the approximate breakpoint where you might consider upgrading to number 10 AWG copper is around 130 feet. This means that for distances exceeding 130 feet, using number 10 AWG copper can help mitigate excessive voltage drop. Several additional considerations apply. 1. The wire size recommendation is based on the assumption of using copper wire insulated with a 90 degrees Celsius insulation and a conductor temperature rating of 75 degrees Celsius. These temperature ratings influence the ampacity, or current carrying capacity, of the wire. 2. The calculation provided does not explicitly account for voltage drop. Voltage drop refers to the reduction in voltage that occurs along the length of a wire due to its resistance. Excessive voltage drop can negatively impact the performance of electrical equipment connected at the end of the run. If voltage drop is a primary concern, selecting a larger wire size, such as number 10 AWG, may be necessary even for distances shorter than the 130-foot breakpoint. 3. It is always highly recommended to consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code, often referred to as the NEC, or to seek the advice of a qualified electrician for specific wire sizing requirements. The NEC provides comprehensive tables and guidelines for determining appropriate wire sizes based on various factors, including amperage, voltage, distance, and environmental conditions. A qualified electrician can assess the specific application and ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations.